I made all this money in my Phantom wallet all with meme coins. Just keep watching because I will be ungatekeeping everything and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to make it happen. Just a couple weeks ago, I used to be obsessed with trading meme coins every single day on MemeScope in the trenches, but the reality is that every single time I put my money inside a meme coin, it just keeps getting rug pulled. Like it's actually insane. Like this coin right here, a couple minutes ago, it just got rug pulled. The creator behind this coin made so much money because all he did was he launched the coin and then he removed the liquidity and he walked away with thousands of dollars on this one launch. Now, if you haven't catched on yet, well, the strategy is actually by becoming the meme coin launcher and by launching your own coins. I've personally made over $100,000 and even over $300,000 all by launching my own coins, and it's actually insane because you have nothing to lose. All you have to do is launch a coin, dump it, and then you're walking away with thousands of dollars, and you can do this on repeat, on demand, whenever you want. So I'm going to show you exactly how to launch, create, dump the coin, and then make a shit ton of money. And obviously this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so do not replicate what I do, cap. But anyways, now it's time for the fun part, launching your own meme coin. So first of all, you want to head over to launchtoken.Fun, and here it is where you will be launching your own coin with no coding required. And the special part about what this website offers is that they launch their own coins on the Radium DEX, which is 100 times better than Pump.Fun. Why? Because Pump.Fun, first of all, is too saturated, too many coins are being created, and also the coin has to get a $90,000 market cap for it to be graduated on the Radium DEX. Now, $90,000 for a Pump.Fun coin is really rare. That's why I advise you to launch your own coins on launchtoken.Fun directly, because it will be listed directly on the Radium DEX and you will essentially be skipping the bonding curve. Okay, so I can even prove that to y'all. If I go to my trending and I go on the Radium DEX, just look at the insane market caps. They're like all over 1 million, 5 million, 700,000, 200,000, 60,000, 90 million. Okay, but if we go on Pump.Fun, you will just see the insane difference. Yeah, the market caps are extremely low, 30k, 10k, 10k, they're all bad. So like I said, once again, you have to be using launchtokens.Fun if you want to maximize your profits, okay? Now coming back to here, you have two different options into making your own meme coin. You could either make it manually by pulling the token name, token symbol, and token image. I like to use this feature right here. If a big meme came out, if something went viral on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, or if someone popular on Twitter made a tweet about something like Elon Musk, Trump, for example, or other big influencers. But the second option you have is actually for the lazy people like me. So for example, if you don't want to find a narrative yourself, you could actually come to the copy coins feature right here and you can steal what is already working. So you can actually duplicate and basically list your own token on the blockchain and get some instant guaranteed buyers, because all the coins that pops up here are all proven to get you some buyers because they're all trending and pumping on Pump.Fun, and by duplicating these coins you're listing them back up on the Radium DEX and you are making some money. So obviously for the video I am going to create and duplicate a coin to prove that this shit actually works. So the Ziggy coin, the indie coin right here just caught my attention. It has 300 replies, a last buy 3 seconds ago, and a $60,000 market cap, so it looks promising. I'm gonna create coin right here. Your phantom should pop up. Now a warning will pop up. This is completely normal. It's just phantom tweaking out, or I don't know. So just proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin should be created soon. Just give it a couple seconds. Now copy here, click on create liquidity pool, because now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain officially. So here's like your coin. As you can see, I have a bunch of coins because I'm printing every single day. Here, select your Solana binds, amount token A, just click on max simply to put a billion coins in the pool. You know, amount token B, I like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll just put 0.5 Solana because that's what I usually do. Obviously, you can put 0.3 for the bare minimum. But something that I forgot to say is that this money right here is actually coming out from your own pockets. But don't worry, it will come back inside your wallet because it is completely safe. You are the first buyer inside your coin, so this is a no loss initial. And then you should be ready. So I would just click on create pool. After that, click on confirm and then click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. As you can see, I'm already 40 bucks in profit. Now this coin right here, just ignore it. It's another coin that I launched like a couple of days ago. Okay, now click on view on photon and now your coin is live. You can officially see the chart. Now, okay, it pumped a lot. Okay, it's pumping. Okay, it's pumping right in front of my eyes. It's pumping a lot. Let's fucking go. Now, we just got a $12 buy, a couple sells, a $50 buy. It's actually insane. A couple $1 buys. Okay, this coin actually looks promising. Let's go. It's pumping. Okay, not bad, not bad. Oh my god. Yo, by the way, if y'all want to check your profits, you can come here. You can click on the refresh right here, and as you can see, the profit is actually wrong. I think it's double, so it's $140 in profit. Yo, by the way, right now is the best time to launch your own coins. Oh my god, it's pumping a lot. We're almost at a $1,000 market cap. Okay, I think I might remove the liquidity. Yeah, bro, I'm not trying to be greedy right now. So come back to launchtoken.Fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. I gotta go quick before someone sells. Come on. Confirm. Come on. And boom! We just removed the complete liquidity out of the coin, and that's exactly how you launch a coin. Pump up the price by doing nothing and just waiting, and then you print. Let's see how much I made. $656 off this one meme coin launch, bro. If this isn't proof that you can make a shit ton of money, bro, I don't know what is. Launchtoken.Fun is linked in the comments up below or in the description, bro. Go make your first coin. Go make some money. Right now is the best moment. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. The winner of the past 2 videos is right here. Boom, and now bye.